Hi guys, so you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all low carb breakfast ideas or recipes for weight loss. Now all these breakfast recipes will contain only 5 to 6% of carbs in them, and most of it will be high in protein, good in fiber and lots of minerals and vitamins. So without any delay, let's get started with low carbs breakfast recipes for weight loss. Now the first recipe is low carb mango smoothie, which is dairy free also. Now how to prepare this smoothie? All you'll need is half cup of almond milk, half cup of frozen mango, or you can also use any fruit choice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for consistency, we'll use half a cup of water. Now all you have to do is blend all these ingredients together. Instead of mango, you can also use frozen banana, you can also use strawberries, berries, apple, as per your own choice. And a delicious low carb mango smoothie is prepared. It is dairy free and will help you lose weight fast very easily. Now the second recipe is keto pancakes or low carb pancakes. The recipe of keto pancakes is already mentioned in one of my recipe videos. We prepare this keto pancake with this special flour, that is nutroactive keto flour. It contains only 5% of net carbs and it is extremely helpful for fat loss. Now all you have to do is take 1 cup of this nutroactive keto flour, 1 mashed banana, some milk, pinch of cinnamon powder, honey for taste, and just mix all these ingredients together, and on a flat pan or non-stick pan, apply some cooking spray or olive oil and just prepare your keto pancakes. For breakfast, you can have up to 2 to 3 pancakes easily, as it is very light in weight but also fuller as well. Now, the third recipe for low carbs breakfast ideas is one of the most popular Indian breakfast recipes with a twist, that is cauliflower upma. Yes, you heard me right. We'll prepare this upma with cauliflower. It is very low in carbs and definitely will help you lose weight fast very easily. How to prepare this upma? All you have to do is, in a pan, put some oil, add peanuts to this and roast them up for 2 to 3 minutes. Add freshly chopped ginger. To this add curry leaves, chopped onions, half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and let them saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When done, add grated cauliflower to this. Let it simmer for at least 5 minutes and let the cauliflower cook properly. When done, add salt along with cauliflower and just stir it well and enjoy your cauliflower upma. Now the fourth recipe for breakfast is Chia Pudding. Now, it is one of my favorite recipes of all times for low carb diets. All you have to do is, in a mason jar, add 1 cup of almond milk and 1/4 cup of chia seeds. I use 12 Farmers chia seeds. It's very readily available in the market. You can buy it online as well. And along with that, add half a teaspoon to half a tablespoon of honey as per your taste and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Early in the morning, when you're ready to have your breakfast, just take this pudding out, add chopped mango to this. 1/4 cup of mango should be good enough. You can add as per your own choice fruits. You can add chopped apples also, some nuts also, and over this you can also add pineapple. Enjoy your delicious pudding. It is very low in carbs. Now, fifth breakfast recipe for low carbs is mixed dal dosa. All you have to do is soak yellow moong dal and green moong dal together, approximately 1/4 cup of each, in hot water for at least 1 hour. When done, drain the dal and blend it in a blender and prepare a smooth mixture out of it. Now your dosa batter is prepared. All you have to do is, on a dosa pan or a normal non-stick tawa, prepare thin dosa and have it with coconut chutney. It is best delicious breakfast recipe that you can have when you're on low carb diet. You can have 2 to 3 dosas very easily, as it is very fuller also and as well as contains loads of calcium. So the last option for low carb breakfast is low carb porridge. Now to prepare this porridge, you will need 2 tablespoons of almond flour, that is badam powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder or shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, to get all of these ingredients, check the link in the description box below. You will find almond flour, unsweetened, shredded coconut, flaxseed meal, chia seeds. You can buy all of these ingredients in the description box below. Go check it out. Now how to prepare this porridge? All you will need is Add all the ingredients except the vanilla to a small saucepan along with half cup of water and put it on a low heat. When it's thickened and the consistency is fine, just add the vanilla extract to this and have it warm. Almond flour, coconut and flaxseed will give you excess and good amount of fiber with the least carb possible. So have this low carb porridge and you will love having this. I can guarantee you this. You can also add some fruits over this if you want to, like mango, pineapple, apple, as per your own choice, and you can also add some nuts over it. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I upload daily videos on my Facebook page as well. And if you want personalized diet plans for weight loss transformation, at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com, or you can also WhatsApp me on this number with your queries. I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.